Do you want to know how to copy your Discord link? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So first, open your Discord app. Now click on your profile icon on the bottom, and when you are here, just scroll down until you see advanced option. Under app setting, tap on that and make sure you have turned on the developer mode. If not, just turn it on. Now after toggling that on, just go back to your profile and tap on your name, and you can see the notification username copied, and basically you have now copied your Discord username link, and you can share it in social media or your friends or anywhere. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Discord to the latest version, and that will work. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.